Ever been asked on the OHST exam which investigation tool maps out cause and effect relationships? That's your cue for the Fishbone Diagram, also called the Ishikawa Diagram. In today's short study session, we'll break down what it is, why it matters, and how to recognize it on your exam and in the field. The Fishbone Diagram helps safety professionals trace incidents back to their root causes, not symptoms. Imagine a machine breakdown. The head of the fish is the problem, and each bone represents a major category like equipment, process, people, environment, or management. Under each branch, you list possible contributing factors until patterns emerge. Picture this. A forklift nearly hits a pedestrian. Using a fishbone diagram, you'd look at people. Was training complete? Environment. Was lighting poor? Equipment. Were brakes worn? You're not pointing fingers. You're connecting the causes. The goal? Prevent recurrence by correcting the system, not the person. Here's your quick recall cue. If the question says, maps cause and effect relationships visually, it's the fishbone diagram. If it says, asks why repeatedly, that's the 5 whys. Keep that difference sharp. Picture the diagram in your mind and lock it in. Remember, the fishbone diagram helps us see connections, not blame people. For the OHST exam, think visual tool for root cause analysis. For the real world, think prevention through understanding. If this helped clarify the concept, subscribe to Field to Compliance for more OHST exam study sessions, and drop a comment on what topic you'd like covered next.